Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Rolls Royce Wraith. Begin by lightly sketching the basic rectangular and oval shapes that will form the car's overall structure. Focus on establishing the correct proportions and perspective early on, ensuring the vehicle looks balanced. Next, outline the distinctive front grille and the elegant, narrow headlights, which are key identifying features of this luxury car. This foundational step is crucial for a successful drawing. Now, let's refine the car's elegant body lines, paying close attention to the smooth, flowing curves that define the Wraith silhouette. Carefully sketch the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem atop the grille, ensuring its delicate form is captured. Then, move on to detailing the large, intricate wheel design, including the spokes and hubcaps. These elements add significant character and realism to your drawing, bringing the vehicle to life. Next, we'll add some of the luxurious interior elements visible through the windows, like the dashboard and seats, even if they are only subtly suggested. Begin incorporating reflections on the car's polished surfaces and cast shadows beneath the vehicle to ground it in its environment. Finally, apply careful shading to create depth and volume, making the car appear three-dimensional. This step truly enhances the realism of your Rolls Royce Wraith. Take a moment to review your completed drawing, checking for accuracy in proportions and the finer details. Don't be afraid to make small adjustments to perfect your work. Remember, consistent practice is key to improving your drawing skills, so keep sketching. And speaking of staying refreshed, make sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.